Hello. In this video, we are going to go over table extraction in AI Hub. In front of us, we have a bank statement. We want to extract all transaction data from this statement into one field. To accomplish this, we are going to add a field, title it Transactions, and toggle the field type to Table. Below this field type, we can add a descriptor if needed. As well, we can toggle on or off long table extraction. This is useful for when we have large files or large tables that we need to extract. For example, a bank statement where the transactions span multiple pages. Now we'll hit Run. And after it runs, we can see the results. Here, we can see it in a smaller view, but if we want to see everything that it extracted, we can either scroll up or down, or hit Expand. Or if we want an even larger view, we can hit Maximize, and that will pop it out into its own window. Now that it's extracted all of the data, perhaps we want to clean up the formatting. To do this, we go down to Add Cleaning. We can add a cleaning prompt. For example, if I want all the dates to be in month date, I can simply state Format Dates. I can simply state Format Dates as month date. And there we can see that it reformatted all the date values. Similarly to how we were able to expand the view when editing the field, we can also expand the view of this field at a higher level or class level view. We simply hit Expand, and similarly we can hit Maximize. You can now configure table extraction to accurately capture structured data from your documents.